Hello guys, good morning. I hope you well. Today I am going to make tandoori chicken. It may be part 1. So you can see first of all uh, os and cut out, then add masalas, black salt, white salt, then garam masala. Okay, then after we will use white pepper, then add red chili powder, and next one is will be ginger garlic paste. After add the ginger garlic paste, we will add hang curd. After add hang curd, then is then again mix it all properly. Then next take a seek into the chicken. After after that